Good morning, student. This is class 11th math, and today's thought is function is the heart of mathematics. Because in a mathematics there is lot of function like the inverse function, trigonometric function, and logarithm function. So you can say that function is the heart of mathematics. Here today's date is 18th of June 2021. This is Chapter 5, it is a new chapter. This is complex number and quadratic equation. It is a complex number and quadratic equation. This is new for you. You know that a real number. What is a real number? You know that a real number. If you have to say that to what define the real number. You know that real number is the set of a natural number, whole number, integer, a rational number, irrational number also. So if you are set to find out the real number is the set of a natural number, whole number, integer, rational number, and irrational number. This makes you the real number. Now, question is arises, what is a complex number? It is new for you. What is a complex number? Suppose you have given a question x square plus 1 is equal to 0. And you need to find out the value of x. How can you find out the value of x? If it is given that x square minus 4 is equal to 0, then you will find out the value x is equal to x square is equal to 4 and x is equal to plus minus 2. But if it is you have given that x square plus 1 is equal to 0, then x square is equal to minus 1. And x is equal to root minus 1. You know that we cannot take the negative root. So here question is arises how to solve this type of a problem. If any quadratic equation is given in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, where b square minus 4ac is less than 0. You know that for the greater one and equal, you know that there is a root possible. In class 10th you already studied. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then you know that there are two equal and a distinct rule. And if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, so there are two real and distinct roots. And for b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, two real roots are possible there. But here the question is arises if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then what is the possible outcome? In class 10th, you studied that if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then there is a no solution. But in this chapter, we will study how to solve this type of a question. How to solve x square is equal to minus 1 or x square is equal to minus 4, x square is equal to minus 2 or b square minus 4ac is less than 0. We need to solve this question and extend the real number again in another number. In this class, we will write down the value of minus 1 under root minus 1 is equal to y. Here we will take another value. I is equal to minus 1 or I square I is equal to under root minus 1 or I square is equal to minus 1. This extends the solution of a real number, and when you mix the real number, and it is known as the imaginary number denoted by I. When you mix the real number and imaginary number, then it became the complex number. This became the complex number. This became the complex number. So the complex number, notation of a complex number is here, means if you have given any negative real roots, any negative number which root is given, then you have to put at the place of -1 I square. At the place of -1 it is I square. Means if you have given, find out the value of -√5 4, then you have to put -4 into -1 and put the value of -1 as I square. So it became, student, this is 2i, this is 2i, it became 2i. So you can obtain the solution of the, now you can obtain the solution of the numbers which is given in the negative using I is equal to -√1 or I square is equal to -1. Now how can we represent a complex number? How can we represent a complex number? Here, complex number can be represented by a letter Z. This is equal to A plus IB. This is the representation of a complex number where A and B are the real numbers. Where A and B are the real number and I is the imaginary number. This is representation of a complex number, means any number can be written 3 plus 4i, this is the form of a complex number. -5 minus 2i, it is in the form of a complex number. This part is known as the real part. This part is known as the real part and represented by REZ, means real part is equal to A. It is a real part and represented by REZ. This is the representation of the real part of Z, means complex number. Real part of a complex number, this is represented REZ, and it is an imaginary part. It is represented by IMZ, means I means imaginary part, and here the imaginary part is equal to, you don't have to include I. So real part is A and imaginary part is B. If you have to ask, find the real part and imaginary part of 3 plus 4i, then real part is 3 and imaginary part is 4. And in the second type of a question, the real part is -5 and imaginary part is -2. This is the real part and the imaginary part of a complex number. Now, if you have asked or you have given two numbers in the form of a real number, this is Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus ID, and it is said that both the complex number are equal. If both the complex number are equal, means if Z1 is equal to Z1, in this Z1 is equal to Z2, in this position A is equal to C. Means the real part is equal to real part if the both complex number are equal. Means A is equal to C. And imaginary part is also equal to imaginary part, means B is equal to D. The real part is equal to the real part and imaginary part is equal to imaginary part. There is a lot of a question based on that one. For example, if I give you one example, which is, this is given 4x plus I into 3x minus y, which is equal to, suppose it is a Z1 and it is equal to another real number, another complex number, which is equal to 3 plus I into minus 6. And you need to find out the value of x and y here. So firstly you need to compare the real part with the real part. In LHS, real part is 4x. So firstly you have to write down comparing real and imaginary part of complex number. Then real part is equal to 4x and 4x is equal to 3 implies that ax is equal to 3 by 4. This is the real part. If you compare 4x is equal to 3, then x is equal to 3 by 4. And it is the real imaginary part. It is compared 3x minus y is equal to minus 6. Now putting the value of x here. Minus 6 minus y is equal to minus 6 minus 9 by 4 implies that minus y is equal to 24. 6 4s are 24 minus 9 means 24. 24 minus 24 minus 9 means minus 33 upon 4. Then y is equal to 33 upon 4. This is the value. Then you know that if the two complex number are equal, then how can you find out the value if one value is given and another you need to find out. Thank you, student.